Today, we're creating the paranoid psycho effect, that trippy mind bending look often seen in psychological thrillers and horror edits. First, import your clip into CapCut and tap to select it. Then, head down to the toolbar, tap on Effects, and choose Video Effects. Now go to the Light tab and scroll until you find an effect called Psyche Echo. Tap on it, and it'll instantly apply that ghostly echo motion to your video. Right away, you'll notice your subject appears duplicated with motion trails, giving that paranoid, distorted vibe, perfect for dramatic or horror scenes. Now, let's customize it. The speed slider controls how fast the echoes shift. Faster speeds create a more frantic, unstable look. The blur slider adjusts how smooth those trails appear. Increasing blur makes them softer and dreamier, while lowering it adds a sharp, jittery echo. The filter slider changes the tone of the effect, letting you tweak the overall color and mood. Try darker tones for a cinematic horror look. Finally, the intensity slider defines how visible and bold the echo effect is. A higher value makes it more dramatic and chaotic, while a lower one gives a subtle, uneasy vibe. And that's it. You've just created a paranoid psycho effect in CapCut Mobile. Use it in your thriller, horror, or dream sequence edits to instantly add that disturbed psychological atmosphere. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.